Tardigrades, often called water bears or moss piglets, are near microscopic aquatic animals with plump, segmented bodies and flattened heads. They have 8 legs, each tipped with 4 to 8 claws or digits, and somewhat resemble the hookah-smoking caterpillar from Alice in Wonderland. Though tardigrades are disarmingly cute, they are not known for their cuteness but because they are nearly indestructible and can even survive in outer space. Tardigrades can be found everywhere in Earth's biosphere, from mountaintops to the deep sea and mud volcanoes, and from tropical rainforests to the Antarctic. Tardigrades are among the most resilient animals known, with individual species able to survive extreme conditions, such as exposure to extreme temperatures, extreme pressures, both high and low, air deprivation, radiation, dehydration, and starvation, that would quickly kill most other known forms of life. Tardigrades are short, 0.05 mm to 1.2 mm in body length, plump, bilaterally symmetrical, segmented organisms. They have 4 pairs of legs, each of which ends in 4 to 8 claws. Tardigrades reproduce via asexual parthenogenesis, or sexual reproduction, and feed on the fluids of plant cells, animal cells, and bacteria. They are prey to amoebas, nematodes, and other tardigrades. Some species are entirely carnivorous. Tardigrades, also known as the water bears, have an unusual strategy for surviving harsh conditions. They enter an almost death-like state called cryptobiosis, expelling more than 95% of the water from their bodies, retracting their heads and legs and curling into a dehydrated ton. During cryptobiosis, a tardigrade's metabolic activity drops to as little as 0.01% of normal levels. Its cells are protected from damage by water-soluble proteins that are unique to tardigrades, known as tardigrade disordered proteins, or TDPs. When tardigrades expel their body's water, TDP molecules form a tough, glass-like cocoon around cells. This keeps cellular material safe while the tardigrade is a ton and enables it to reanimate in water when conditions are more hospitable. Tardigrade tons can be revived even after decades have passed. In 2016, scientists revived 2 tons and a tardigrade egg that had been in cryptobiosis for more than 30 years. So simply we can say tardigrades have been known to survive the following extreme conditions: temperatures as low as -200 degrees Celsius (-328 degrees Fahrenheit) and as high as 151 degrees Celsius (304 degrees Fahrenheit), freezing and or thawing processes, changes in salinity, lack of oxygen, lack of water, levels of X-ray radiation 1000x the lethal human dose, some noxious chemicals, boiling alcohol, low pressure of a vacuum, high pressure, up to 6x the pressure of the deepest part of the ocean. The fact that a tiny little creature like tardigrades can do so many things is really amazing. Please share your views with us. Please comment and subscribe.